Hello, my name is Eddie Tofpick. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here is your daily technical analysis of LME 3-month copper and aluminium. I'll start with LME 3-month copper. Okay, so after Monday's bullish closing White Mariposa and possible powerful bullish belt hold pattern, we yesterday had an immediate countering bearish army. It was also a close back below, after only one close over on Monday, back below the February 2021 high at 96.19 and the April 2020 today optimized uptrend, currently 96.15. Now the low was again captured and supported by the old supports of the slowly rising short medium moving average, currently 94.87, and the adjacent flatlining medium moving average, currently at 94.60. Below these two, we have the rising long moving average, currently 93.80, which has shown good support during last week. It continues to look as if the market is still really having a hard time deciding if some of the recent moves lower should continue or not. The action continues to be centered around the April 2020 today optimized uptrend, even if it is current resistance above. Now so far today, a lower open and an inside day so far. Now if this continues, then today could end up being day 2 in a 2-day homing pigeon pattern. Now homing pigeon patterns are interesting. You see, traditionally they are seen as a bullish reversal pattern. However, data indicates just around about 6 times out of 10, they are seen as bearish continuation patterns in real life. Thus, if today turns out to be day 2, will the market then follow tradition or the data? LME 3-month aluminium. A bearish engulfing pattern yesterday. A little bit out of the blue, but still it is what it is. The market closed back below the 50% Fibonacci line for 2021 at 25.86, as well as the lesser Fibonacci level at 25.77. However, the market tested down but did not manage to break both the lesser Fibonacci line at 25.43 and perhaps more importantly, the previously pierced old upper trendline extension, currently at 25.35, of the May to August ascending triangle. Now this halt was interesting because further below we have the slowly rising long moving average, currently at 25.01. Now I had previously highlighted a feature here as a potential big pattern mover. It is the broken mid-February today uptrend, currently at 26.90. It is some distance above the market, and that is the reason I have a concern about it. You see, I've been a little unsure in the past, and this unease is still with me. But I still feel obliged to share with you that this broken uptrend since June and even earlier since February may be a key part of a bump and run reversal top. Why this mid-February today action? Uptrend? Because this uptrend would be ideal as the trend line for such a bump and run reversal top pattern. Now I know it's early, but I feel obliged after recent weeks' actions to give you some ideas on a downside for this pattern. So initial target X for such a pattern would be in the 23.53 area. Now there will be obstacles in the way, most notably the next dynamic support below, which is the previously highlighted rising long moving average, currently 25.01. But I can only say what I see here. Additionally, I had earlier discussed the idea of the middle of last week until the middle of this week may be part of a bearish halfway hesitation stroke bear flag type move. In this case, the target X1 is a little closer in the 24.50 area. I am not so sure about this pattern now, as we have been hesitating around the upper trendline extension. However, I'm sure there are other patterns in there, but these are the ones I can see right now. So far today, a reactionary move back up with what looks right now like a bullish harami. Prices have pushed up over the 50% Fibonacci line for 25.87, but only just. Thank you for listening. This short version broadcast gives you essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted with this broadcast. Copyright is Eddie Tofpick and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final bit.